Welcome back to Living in the Black Hills, guys. I am super pumped to bring you guys this property to tour today, guys. I am out here in the stunning Horseshoe Acres subdivision here in the beautiful Piedmont Black Hills area. Guys, if I had $1 for every single time somebody asked me about a Barndominium here in the hills, I'd be a very rich man. This one is not gonna last long, so if you guys wanna check this one out, you guys gotta come take a tour right away, because like I said, it's gonna go off the shelf very quickly. You guys can see walking up the stunning look to this place. And you guys just kind of pan around here too and just check out the surrounding hills area. We are on just a little over 9 acres out here in the beautiful country. So you are almost surrounded by nobody within reason here. I mean, at least 300-400 acres to the nearest neighbor. So if you guys want elbow room like a lot of other folks out here do, this one is gonna be for you guys. Completely sheet metal on the whole front, you guys can see up here too. And covered deck coming up. If you guys follow me up here, we'll kind of come inside and take a look here. But this one was built in 2010 and it does not show. It almost looks like a brand new property. It's in such good condition. The same thing with the deck here, fully stained and everything. Zero maintenance out here with everything too. Having the metal siding and everything. I know a lot of people like that. Withstands the hail, rain, wind, you guys name it. This property is incredible. You guys will come over here really quick before we head inside. You can see the side yard and everything as well. They do have it fully fenced, so if you guys got dogs or anything, you know, any pets that want to hang around in the house, that is no problem. Even fenced all the way up to the road over there. You can see it comes up from the driveway. So completely fenced, and then even around the outside area, because all of this space is yours as well. So without further ado, we will head inside and show you guys the place. Come on in. Welcome in, guys. Come on in. Right as you guys come in, you guys can see the stunning kitchen and super open concept with the living room down here. If you guys just take a peek around here really quick. No, obviously everybody loves the modernistic, super open floor plans and layouts, things like that. But some things I want to mention here, they just redid this entire kitchen, so you guys will see all the brand new vinyl plank on the floors. All custom butcher blocks made for the island and countertops. Gotta love the butcher blocks. I have one in my personal house right now, and I can tell you it is the best thing ever, and they look phenomenal too. You guys can see all brand new appliances. Commercial grade kitchen here as well, double door with the pull-out freezer underneath, really nice microwave, and you get your range separate from your oven, which I am a huge fan of. Easier to keep clean, things like that, so nice having that, and it matches the appliances, all white as well. But we will head over here to the living room before we head out to one of the best parts, the garage. You guys can see, have a little stove in the corner, keep things warm in here. And these really stunning tall ceilings. This is all tongue and groove plank throughout the house. It looks phenomenal, completely remodeled as well. So they did all of that. And the super nice can lights upstairs. You guys can see also a nice thermostat and everything as well. If we come out here, we'll check out the garage before we go upstairs, but kind of a little laundry, mechanical room in here. You guys will see this a lot upstairs too. We did a lot of this kind of weathered barn wood throughout, which I love the look of, you know, all stained and everything, of course. But here, no shortage of space in here. You get a full barn sink, washer, dryer, huge breaker, power this whole house and all of the facilities here. So look at the layout of that too. You can tell the electrical and all of the contracting in this house was done right. And you get a little mini boiler as well here for some extra heating and things like that. But also obviously got the huge Ream Marathon water heater. These things last forever and they are huge. So you got a big family, a lot of kids, you will never be running out of hot water. Because I know that's always sucks, right? So if we head out to the garage, this place is unique with the garage. Really good setup if you guys have any livestock or horses, chickens, anything like that. If that's been one of your dreams to have some of those, this is your spot. You can see full pull-through garage, so you can fit 2.5 cars in here lengthwise, and if you have trailers or anything like that for horses, you can pull it right through. So super nice having that feature readily available here. But obviously the nice big barn doors here to all of the pastures in here. But if you guys just take a peek really quick, I mean, it is decked out in here, fully set up for 3 horses in here or anything else you want to do with doors out the back as well. So super easy to maintain everything in here. But like I said, I mean, who doesn't like the full pull-through garage? I mean, everybody can benefit from that, right? Just pulling cars through and things like that. And we will go check out the main level bedroom down here. Two main level bedrooms. But first, we got a little bathroom in here, which connects to the bedroom. But you can see plenty of space in here. Got the whole full-size vanity, shower, and tub with shelves in there built in. super nice. And again, they ran the tongue and groove all the way into the shower, even above that. So it is everywhere in this house. Super high quality stuff. Same thing, doors matching. I think it's a really clean look, but look at the size of that closet. Utilize that space underneath the stairs really well too. So plenty of storage in this place. If you guys come into the main level bedroom, like I said, it connects from the bathroom and goes out in the living room, the bathroom you guys just came in from. It's nice, so guests have a bathroom to use while they're over visiting, anything like that. But 2 full-size closets in here, so, and these do connect across, so plenty of closet space in here. But another thing you guys will notice in here are all brand new mini splits, all Mr. Cool brand new mini splits, so help heat and cool the house. If you guys don't know of mini splits, they are getting very popular, not only in this area, but nationwide. They are a great replacement for electric heat as far as cove and baseboard goes. They're about 80% more efficient. They're super quiet, and they do both heating and cooling, so it covers all of your guys' needs. No longer a need for window ACs and, you know, the annoying baseboard. There's no fire hazard as there was before, so super nice to have those everywhere. You know, helping keep things clean. You can see remote here, all ran from a remote as well, so you know, you're not having to reach up there or click any buttons or anything like that. But without further ado, we'll head upstairs to the bread and butter of this house. And this is all brand new carpet. I almost forgot to mention, super plush carpet, all brand new, so not having to worry about doing any updates in this house. But if you guys come up here, you get almost a whole family room alone up here, so kind of some extra entertaining space. And you can see how grandiose this looks just looking over this ledge too. I mean, check that out with the high ceilings. You know, at the peak, there's got to be 20 foot at least, if not 17-foot ceilings, so it just makes it feel so grand and big. Like I was saying before, more of that weathered barn wood look throughout. Just looks really clean with the tongue and groove wood throughout here. But got the primary bathroom up here, and this thing is a monster. If you guys come in here and check this out, you get like a full walk-in closet in your bathroom. I mean, how often do you guys see that? It's not very often you get a full walk-in closet in your bathroom alone. Full walk-in shower as well. Again, shelves in there for things like that. And nice full vanity here. So plenty of space. Guests could use this too if they're staying up here. The way they have this set up now is they kind of all stay in the bedrooms up here with the kiddos and things like that. So really nice to have that readily available. But if we come in here, again, more of the stained wood look, and even the ceilings in the hallways are incredible. But if you come in here, this is their little office. So it makes for a perfect office. I mean, you can see how they got it set up. It's sweet. And you even get your views out these windows up front, which I didn't mention before, but these are all Andersen windows, so super high quality windows throughout as well. You know, Andersen, Pella, they all do it the best out here. That's what we're using in our new construction. So if you guys see that in places like this, you know you're getting into a good deal with high quality stuff. If we come in here to the master bedroom, this is the primary bedroom. You can just see the nice vaulted ceilings in here. Kind of cool, they ran this on the corners as well. I kind of like the look of it, you know, kind of staggered a bit almost. Just kind of gives it a little more character in the corners, but little niche back here for a little dresser or something, a little nightstand with the TV if you wanted. Got 2 windows, 2 massive windows looking at the back, so get plenty of natural light in here too when waking up in the morning. It is awesome. And of course, got the huge closet on this side. I'll let you guys come in here and take a look. But this is me standing in here, and you can see there's plenty of space for anything. All right, guys, and it gets even better. Another awesome point on this closet. If you guys are like me and you are tired of your girlfriend or wife getting mad at you for taking all the storage space in the closet, here we got you covered. It is completely separated, so each person gets their own space. You can see even runs into here as well. He's kind of using that as extra storage for all of his goods over there, but you could do like a little gun safe or something in there if you wanted, or a little secret hangout. Endless possibilities as far as closet space goes in the master here. And then the ensuite primary bathroom. Look at the awesome vanity in here, brand new vanity. And again, with the vaulted ceilings in the bathroom, cannot beat that. Full-size walk-in shower as well. So awesome master bedroom in this house. You cannot beat all the features in this one. We will head over to the other main bedrooms up here. Another mini split too, right inside the master, so won't have to worry about it keeping it warm or cool in here. And I get a lot of questions about those too. Those do keep up very well with the cold out here. Even if it gets negative temperatures, these things are still rolling. They're going to be keeping up just fine. So, and each individual room does have their own. Again, with the barnwood up there, And this one's kind of cool. It's almost on the slant of the roof, so kind of a cool feeling here. This is their son's bedroom, but like I said, you could use this as an office, gym, anything else, but plenty of space in the closet again. And if we come over here to the last one, again, kind of same setup in here. And just take a second to embrace the size of these rooms, guys. I mean, these are absolutely huge rooms, right? They're set up a little bit differently, but you still get all the space you would with a normal bedroom, and they almost kind of look cooler. And for little kids too, this is cool because they get a window they can actually see it of. It's on their level, right? So stunning views out there too. And you can see the natural light comes in for the sunsets and things like that as well. And again, with huge closet in this one, same size as the other one. So both kids would get plenty of space to store all their goods. All right, guys, thank you for coming along. As always, you guys know the drill at this point. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour, but make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you guys never miss any of our market updates or any of the tours of the stunning properties we have out here. Let us know as well in the comments below what you guys thought of this property in particular. Like I said, Barndominiums tend to go like hotcakes in the Black Hills area, so reach out today if this is something you guys have been looking for. It's not going to last long. All my contact info is below. We will see you guys in the next one.